Bathrooms provide natural humidity, gentle warmth, and low-light conditions that are perfect for growing plants in water. Kept in clear containers without soil, these plants enhance air quality and bring a relaxing, spa-like feel. Low effort and visually refreshing, these are the best indoor plants for bathroom in water. Let's begin with Monstera. Monstera deliciosa is a striking indoor plant admired for its large, glossy leaves with natural splits and holes. It can grow successfully in water, making it suitable for humid bathroom environments. Monstera prefers bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light levels for short periods. When placed in water, its thick roots remain visible and decorative in glass containers. Regular water changes every 1 to 2 weeks help keep it healthy. This plant improves indoor aesthetics by adding a tropical, spa-like feel while also contributing to cleaner indoor air and a calmer atmosphere. Pothos Epipremnum aureum is one of the easiest and most popular indoor plants, especially for growing in water. Its trailing vines and glossy, heart-shaped leaves add instant greenery to bathrooms. Pothos thrives in low to medium light and enjoys the natural humidity found in bathrooms. When grown in water, it requires minimal care, just clean water changes every 1 to 2 weeks. This plant is known for its air-purifying qualities, helping reduce indoor pollutants. Hardy and fast-growing, Pothos adapts well to different conditions, making it perfect for beginners and busy plant lovers alike. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is a hardy and adaptable indoor plant that grows very well in water. Its arching green and white striped leaves add freshness and movement to bathroom spaces. The plant thrives in low to medium light and benefits from the natural humidity found in bathrooms. When grown in water, its thick white roots become an attractive feature in clear containers. Spider plants are excellent air purifiers, helping remove toxins and improve indoor air quality. Easy to propagate and low maintenance, this plant is perfect for beginners and works beautifully in bathrooms. Philodendron, Philodendron scandens, is a classic indoor plant known for its soft, heart-shaped leaves and trailing growth habit. It grows easily in water, making it ideal for bathroom settings with high humidity. This plant tolerates low to medium light and adapts well to indoor conditions. When kept in water, its roots remain healthy with simple water changes every 1 to 2 weeks. Philodendron helps improve indoor air quality while adding lush, calming greenery. Its low-maintenance nature and elegant trailing vines make it a popular choice for bathrooms and small spaces. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei, is an elegant indoor plant known for its deep green leaves and graceful white blooms. It adapts well to growing in water, especially in humid bathroom environments. Peace lilies prefer low to medium indirect light and consistently clean water. When grown hydroponically, their roots look attractive in glass containers. This plant is highly valued for its air-purifying ability, helping remove common indoor toxins and improve air quality. Calm and visually soothing, the peace lily adds a spa-like atmosphere to bathrooms while remaining easy to care for and beginner-friendly. Snake plant, Dracena trifasciata, is a tough, modern-looking indoor plant with upright, sword-shaped leaves. It can grow in water, making it suitable for bathrooms with limited space and light. This plant tolerates low light and high humidity extremely well. When kept in water, only the roots and base should be submerged to prevent rot, with water changed every 1 to 2 weeks. Snake plants are excellent air purifiers, even releasing oxygen at night. Their low-maintenance nature and bold structure make them ideal for bathrooms. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum, is a graceful indoor plant known for its arrow-shaped leaves and soft trailing growth. It grows very well in water, making it an excellent choice for humid bathroom environments. Syngonium prefers low to medium indirect light and adapts easily to indoor conditions. When kept in glass containers, its roots appear attractive and stay healthy with regular water changes. This plant helps improve indoor air quality while adding a fresh, calming look. Easy to maintain and fast-growing, Syngonium is ideal for beginners and small bathroom spaces. English ivy, Hedera helix, is a trailing indoor plant valued for its delicate, lobed leaves and elegant growth. It can thrive in water, especially in cool, humid bathroom conditions. English ivy prefers low to medium indirect light and does well in well-ventilated spaces. When grown in water, its fine roots are visually appealing in glass containers and need fresh water every 1 to 2 weeks. This plant is known for helping improve indoor air quality. Its cascading vines add a soft, natural charm to bathroom decor while remaining easy to care for. Wandering Jew, Tradescantia zebrina, is a fast-growing indoor plant admired for its vibrant purple and silver-striped leaves. It grows exceptionally well in water, making it perfect for bathroom settings with high humidity. This plant prefers bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light levels. When kept in water, its stems root easily and create a lush, trailing display in glass containers. Wandering Jew is low maintenance, requiring only regular water changes. Its bold colors and flowing growth add a lively, decorative touch to bathrooms and indoor spaces. Coleus, Plectranthus scutellarioides, is a colorful indoor plant prized for its vibrant patterned leaves in shades of green, red, pink, and purple. It grows easily in water, making it suitable for humid bathroom environments. Coleus prefers bright, indirect light to maintain strong leaf color but can tolerate medium light. When grown in water, its stems root quickly and require regular water changes to stay healthy. This plant adds striking visual interest and brightness to bathrooms while remaining easy to care for and beginner-friendly.